How to draw creepypasta by lavapiefilms. Smile dog. Start off with your basic circle and add pointy ears. I'd like to say that Smile Dog is one of the more difficult ones due to the fact that he has a lot of hair. Add the hair on his head and around his neck, the 2 circles for eyes, the pig nose, and the smile. Give it pupils, the nostrils, the actual shade in the hair. And this is how you draw the body. Make a rectangle, add the little fur by the stomach, add the 2 legs, like the front legs, and then add the back ones. You can erase the leg that's behind the front of the leg. It's right here. Add the hair on his back and his tail. And that's how you draw a Smile Dog. Instructions by lavapiefilms.